Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Hubbard's Outdoors. Today I just got this Garmin Striker 5 ice bundle. Pretty excited about it, so I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, and catch some fish with it. So let's get right into this. Alright, just already pre-opened it. So right away, we got the bracket that's going to sit on in its back. Put that aside. And the bag it comes with. And this is the handle that you grab it through the bag with. Alright. They also included a little sticker. You can do what you want with that. Here is your battery. It is a 7 amp 12 volt. Should hold a little bit of battery. Here's the last box that was in it. On top you got the screen itself. I'll check that out. It's a 5-inch screen. In this bag we have a little bracket mount. We also got a bag with the float cord and the transducer inside right here. I'll open that in a minute. Since this is an ice bundle, it also comes with this little bracket. Alright. Here's your charger itself. The connectors that go into the battery. And then screws to assemble it. Alright, first step is you want to get the handle. You put in these two slots on this stand, and then you come and get you the two longest screws. Have them go all the way through. Got two nuts. You tighten them on those. Your next step is to get this little bracket. You line it up with the 3 holes made in the middle around a circle. Line those up. Then you have 3 little screws that you should have gotten. Drop them down. You just gotta fasten every one of them. Okay, that is now done. You're gonna grab this, put it on the bracket you just installed. Now you got a black screw and 1 nut left. On the bottom there's a place where the nut will go. Try and get that in there. And then install the screw. Don't snug it too much, so you can just keep this going. This could go a little bit tighter. Alright. That's about perfect right there. Alright, this is the part where it starts to come together. So you've got to grab your camera, grab these knobs, screw them in just so they stay by themselves on both sides. Little holes. There should be little slits in these things. They'll slide right on to here. You start tightening all the way down. Nothing too tight, but enough where you can move it. There we go. Now you can move it. Next you're going to grab your battery, take the protectors off, and in this back there's a little opening right there. That's where your battery will go. Here we got Velcro for securing the battery. I'm just going to explain to you. It's going to go under here, and right in front of the battery, right in here, there's a little slit where it's going to come out, and you just strap it on pretty much. I'll do that off camera. Alright, those are on, the battery ain't going nowhere. Alright, now we're going to connect it, so it can turn on at least. Take off the little tie. Connect red to red and black to black, as you normally do. Alright, now this is going to go, if you're looking at it, at the right one. There's two holes, 1, 2. It's going to go on the right one. And it should, after you twist a little bit, just pop right in one time. So, now we're just going to connect the transducer. Next step, get your floaty and your transducer. Get your transducer all opened up. Here's the end, alright? Take this cap off. We'll do that in a second. If I cannot drop it. We're going to feed this all the way through. And just let that go all the way down to the bottom. To your transducer. Alright. Now what you do here is you're going to slide this all the way down to about a foot above the transducer of where you want this to sit in the ice. So it'll probably be a foot down in the water. Slide this all the way down. See my transducer? Let's just call it about a foot right there. So what you do here is you'll slide it to the middle, all the way down, feed it all the way down, because it's a little bit tighter in there, that'll lock it. Slide this back up, press it down, there you go. You got your transducer. Get this down there. Now you just connect this to the other hole that you didn't use yet. Slides in perfectly. Make sure it's nice and tight while you tie this up. Alright, last step. Get your bag opened all the way. Open it up nice and good. Don't need that. Okay. Put this in the bag. Get on up the wall. Alright. Last step. There's Velcro here. Slide that under the handle. Attach it to the top. Now, for example, when you're done fishing, zip on up. You can grab it through the back, this little pouch right here. Grab it through, good to go. Now it's time to go fishing. Before I go fishing, I gotta actually charge the battery. There's a little zipper in the back for easy access. Unplug these. Here's your charger. You know the drill. See you in a little bit. Alright. Just set it up in the water. I set it to traditional. I'm going to be using just a little tungsten with a waxy. I like the traditional setting because you can watch that thing go down. You can watch the line come up right off the bottom. So I'm that bottom line jigging. Now watch a fish come up to hit it in a second. See, there comes one right away. Come up off the bottom. Gonna hit it. Oop, just missed him. There goes my line. I don't know what all that noise is.
in the middle. But my line's freezing up. So something followed me down right away. See my line, I'm bringing it up. Down, you see that? Alright. Now watch one come up and hit it. There's one. Just a little guy. But even if it's, I mean, that's good. Little ones, they show up on the screen, you know what's down there. You should see what a big one looks like. This is crazy. Alright, here's the flasher mode. You see mine coming down. Mine's the red one on the left side. There's another one right there, coming up. Coming up. God, he's right on it. Oh, just hit him. Alright, I gotta be quick, my battery's dying on me. But let's see if I can get one more on here. Dropping it down. Oh, my line's stuck. There we go. Going down. Stop right above that nice little mark on the bottom. It's right there. Come on, hit it. There he is. Another small sunfish. But there you go, guys. That's the Garmin Striker 5. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And subscribe so you guys can see me using this in the future. This is a pretty fun little rig.